Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have Happy Mail in the post office box, and this is from Debra Huell. Debra Huell. I was like, was it Deb or Debbie or Debra Huell? And so let's see here. I usually at least have it open. I'm supposed to be leaving for Ojai any minute. I was like, oh, I'll get one more video done, and wow. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try and pull it out. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll try it this way. These hauls are so much fun because they are a random items from people's collections and their stashes, and I love it. I love it. I love it. And oh my goodness. Oh my. There's a book in here. Okay. It's a music magazine from 1933. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. There's like, oh, and you know what? Okay, so she made these little tags to go with, and it says, thought you could use these for your dog journal, maybe for the ooh la la, and those ones fell out. So Deborah, I'm sorry that here's some of the things I have been making for my journal. So she also sent me, oh my gosh, she did the canning jar. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so much. Oh, so she actually is doing, she made me a little book of the things that she's been doing from the Spring Blossom Kit using her own items. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Envelopes with cards. Oh, look at her hydrangea in the... she made her own hydrangeas. It looks like she fussy cut, or she had some hydrangeas and she put them onto the papers, and then she made them the little baskets and all of these little pockets and the tags. Oh, put pictures on muslin fabric. Yep, that is awesome. She's using material that's from a dress that she got at a yard sale. So this is going to be so much fun. I have it right here, and I'll be going through that with a little more care. And oh my gosh, look at, found these Monet cards. The envelopes are old enough to look vintage. These are awesome. And I am collecting Monet stuff to do a Monet journal. So I will be putting those with that. So this is that music magazine. Oh, look at. Oh, wow. See, I get stuff like this, and it's like, oh, I'm gonna have to, well, it's 1933, so I'm gonna have to check being able to use that like that, but I mean, to use it, I can use it, but oh, Jack-o'-lantern parade, Mazurka, the boat song, my prayer. Oh, look at this paper. This is so awesome. So, oh, look at this. Very cool. And look at, introduce me to your friends. Win these valuable. If you introduce the magazine, you could win a bonbon basket or a casserole dish or everyone's needle book. Ah, very cool. Thank you, Deborah. Put that with those. Look at garden tools. So this is a piece. Oh, these are cool. I love images like this, like drawn images. So that will be fun for the garden stuff. Okay, these are some papers that I have been experimenting, coffee and food color dyeing. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful, this is gorgeous. With this lace, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at. Oh, I love this paper. You did an amazing job. So it's got several different things on it. Oh, Deborah, this is awesome. And then this is the food coloring. Oh, these are beautiful. I'm going to keep those for my personal, for myself. Sorry. Those are going to be for me. Oh, look at the food coloring. Now, I did egg dye this week with the grandkids. And, oh, look at, this is great. This is great. Look, I love the colors on this. And your doilies are beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at those with the little center. I don't know if you can see that, but oh my gosh. Deborah, these are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You guys should see my sides are getting really stacked up. Ah, some Thomas Kincaid. So a Thomas Kincaid calendar, these perpetual calendars, I'm telling you. Oh, and look at, this one is one-sided. So you don't have to sit there and decide which one you're going to use. And you can just cut this and then put something on top here if you don't want it to say Jan. You just put a flower or something up there, an embellishment. 2005. But look at that. I'll have to see if my favorite Thomas Kincaid painting is of Salt Lake City. And it is a cityscape instead of, I mean, it's the whole city skyline and everything. Yeah, I love that. Oh, these are cute. The butterflies, and it's teal color. So, it might work in the teal books. No matter what, it'll work in something. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Harder to find. For a while, I could find the rectangle doilies, and now, not so much. Oh, this is great paper. You know, the insides of calendars and Filofax and things like that have great, because that's a planning one. So that is awesome. Some more of the Monet. This is funny because yesterday I was at Barnes & Noble's and they have some brand new Monet, and but I was on a budget yesterday. Oh, I like that. That is a Matilaha poppy. And I am from a town, I grew up in a town called Ojai, and our flower there is the Matilaha poppy. That's awesome. I'm pretty sure it sure looks like a Matilaha poppy. And some, you know, I have the playing cards that are the lilies. And I They were right there, but I just used them in a project, so I don't have them right there. So there's those. Oh, look, we have some more calendar pages and address pages, and these are peach. And I have things I'm doing in peach, and look at these little cards. Oh, Alaska. Have you been to Alaska? Oh my goodness. I've been twice. Once in the winter. When we left, it was -52. Quite interesting. You throw coffee up and it freezes right in the air. And then we were there in the summer. And the day that we left, it was an unusual 98 degrees. Look at these little tiny cards. Oh my gosh. You know, we used to get, like, when we'd go to Disneyland or something, we'd get the cards, and, you know, it's like, I wonder whatever happened to all those. Oh, look at, oh, I love these. Love these. Vintage playing cards. Now, I have gone to a yard sale here in my little town, and the man says he has a whole bunch that his dad collected them, but he hasn't put them out yet. He'll have his sale, and he's like, oh yeah, I forgot. Bagpipe Stomp, the Historical Swing Series. Price was 75 cents. Swing Time Arrangements, Bagpipe Stomp. Copyright 1937. Look at these. They're one-sided. Modern hot single-string guitar solos. Second trombone, first trombone. My grandson is playing the trombone. I will have to show him this. I love the writing here. Oh, so it's the... Look at that. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Bagpipe Stomp Foxtrot. Composed and arranged by Buck Ram. That is very cool. Okay. I was helping a friend organize her crafts. She gave me a box full of these music magazines and scores from musical. She got them when her aunt passed away and had no interest. How excited was I to take them off her hand? I bet. So look, oh, look at the dog. Okay, so this is the one that she said I might be able to use in the dog journals, and sure enough, oh, look at. So there's also this one that has. Oh, look at. Oh, so they're different. Oh, look at the wrinkly face. And the labs, and the puppy. Very cute. This is like so cool. Okay, so these are some kind of labels. Oh, it's like Tyvek. It's like Tyvek. Aha. So we'll try that. I'm going to put this in here. So they're labels, but they came without the labels on them. So it's Tyvek. Oh, wow. Oh, and this is for my garden journal, and I will use them. Very, very cool. Now, I might cheat and use these two and my mom's just because these are her favorite colors. Maybe. I might share those. I do have to make my mom her garden journal. Oh, look at, and some 4th of July, and here's my letter. Okay, so I'm going to read that, and I'm excited. She has been following along the spring blossom and wanted to thank me for doing that. So, yes, I will. Oh my gosh, those are really cute. Really, really cute. So, to do, and you know what? I haven't bought this set of napkins yet. So, very cool. And look at them. Look, I love gingham. And I will be doing a 4th of July or patriotic journals. So watch for those. I really am. I just have a lot going on right now, but then when I get this week done, I should be able to really start making some things. So Deborah, thank you so much for all of this. I am just so excited. Cannot wait to play with it. There's just so many different things in here. And I will be organizing and putting the items where they go. Because I do have... Okay, so I'm not sure what was for the ooh la la. But I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out. But garden stuff and music. Just, oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Thank you so much, Deborah. And everyone, thank you for being here. And I'd like to know what your favorite thing. These are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. This one has some gold on it. Just little tiny touch of gold. These doilies, I mean, this is amazing. And you see that they go through and they're double-sided. And I love the feel of your paper. So I'd love to know where you got what kind of paper you're using. And it looks like you do bake your paper. These are so pretty. So food coloring, I've thought about it, but I haven't done it yet. There's just so many things in so little time. But thank you so much, Deborah. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below. Thank you again, Deborah. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.